Last week I showed you how to put together the Kallax bookshelf. Today we're going to show you how to put together the insert that allows you to have a little bit more organization. This is the Kallax insert here. I'm going to open it up and see what's in the package. As always, we're going to take a look at the instructions real quick. Now, this is a very simple assembly. There's really no tools involved. It's just a few pieces of hardware and some felt tape. Also, thank you for being here, and please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and hit that like button as well. Okay, back to step one. Well, we're going to take these shelf pieces here, and with the pieces of hardware, we're going to insert them into the hole that they've provided here. Now, these are directional, so you have to pay attention to which way this is going in. It's really going to only go in one way, but make sure that that beveled edge is flush, otherwise it won't fit right into the side pieces. Now that we have them all inserted into these shelf pieces, we can now pick up our side pieces here that are off to the left and start inserting them to the side. Now keep in mind these are directional as well. They'll work both ways, but what you want to do is have that brown side not visible. It's going to make the piece look a lot better. So make sure that when you're inserting the shelves, you're inserting it into the painted side. Now it's time to grab our other side piece here. Again, make sure you're paying attention to which way you're putting them onto the shelves, with the brown side facing outward, and just lining them up to each of those little dowel pieces. Now we have our basic structure put together here. Make sure that those dowels are flush with the outside of the board so you know that they're all the way in. Now we can put in on our sticky felt pieces here. It's going to allow the unit to slide easily into the Kallax shelf, and you can stick them to the sides here. I've now stuck all of those felt pieces to all four sides. I've put them close to the edge so it's nice and even, also not covering the dowel holes so you know that it's still flush. Now it's time to insert it into the Kallax shelf. And keep in mind that this is not that stable, so you got to be careful when you lift it up until it's inserted into the shelving unit here. Then it becomes very rigid. Now, carefully slide in the insert into the shelf here, and once it's flush, it is fully installed. This little addition to the Kallax shelving unit is very versatile. It'll fit into any of these little box holes here, so you can really customize what you want it to look like. I've just put it into the bottom for ease of showing you this video, but it'll work anywhere else. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again in a future video, and as always, have a great day.